Yeah.
And by the way, you can basically, so let's just play this thread a little bit more. So today a file, you have read it, you have saved it, it's static. You say, according to research done by XXX, I'm now saying this is a living document where after every quarter, those data get updated. And then when the data gets updated, the graphs change. The conclusion has to change because you said, hey, this is a rapidly growing market, blah, blah, blah. And then last quarters, then, let's just say it was a temporary surge and now the growth rates have come down. Maybe your conclusion changes as well. All of that data and update that conclusion. So what is a
Mm.
doc anymore? The old version of a doc was something. The new version of doc is I just told an AI, hey, do this research for me, produce a doc. I'll just review it to make sure it makes sense, it hasn't made errors, and that's it. And that becomes a living entity. So it's not even a doc. Like you said, it's not even a doc anymore. It's just a interface to an AI agent. And so can I now go in and rebuild? Like, is it easier to build it from the scratch? Absolutely. Can I just
Hmm.
go in and take my old word processing and go in and change it? It's going to be much harder to rip
Yeah.
everything else.